In today's video, let's talk about on how to fix YouTube cannot like video. If you're currently facing this issue within your YouTube account or within the YouTube application, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is try switching your YouTube account. So within the YouTube platform, if you head over to your profile section on the top, you'll be able to see the option called accounts where all of your accounts are visible. You can try switching between them and switch back to your original one and try to see if the issue is fixed, if the issue still persists. The other thing that you can also try out is try to reinstall the application of YouTube onto your device. This likely is happening due to app bugs or app glitches, and once you reinstall the application, any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should be now fixed. Now, even after trying all of these solutions and you're still having issues with it, this is likely due to server issues. Situation, you just need to wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.